Hey everyone, we've just removed the carpet and underlay in this space and we're getting ready to install our vinyl, but first we have to do the part that nobody likes, which is taking out these nail strips that are used to keep carpet in place. Basically, it's a thin piece of wood with a whole bunch of very sharp nails sticking up around it. So make sure when you're working in a space where these are still down, you're being very careful, and we prioritize getting them up for that reason. You'll see that these are installed with nails going down the other way. So there's one there, one there, one there. You're gonna see it all along where the heads are. And so the easiest way to get this out, especially keeping hands away from the strip and all the nails, is to use our floor scraper. We use it to remove the staples from the underlay. We also use it for these tack strips at the side of the floor. Basically, we like the long handle ones so we can be standing up, but we're simply going to position it so that the middle, roughly the middle of this, is gonna hit where that nail is. And with a little bit of a push, we're gonna be able to pop it up. Okay, getting the blade underneath and then just angling to push it up so that these nails are being pulled straight up out of the ground. Again, they're nails, so all it really means is that upward motion. So just tapping to get my blade underneath and then popping it up. Okay, and I'm just gonna go along. Okay, and then you're able to remove it. Be very, very careful with these. You have nails sticking out on both sides. One of our tricks for disposing it is to lay these all on a piece of underlay and then roll up your underlay around them so that it's not popping through your garbage bags or getting somebody's hand in the disposal process. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have tutorial videos on all things about removing flooring, installing flooring, putting vinyl on your stairs, and lots of other stuff. You can check us out at stepupvinyl.ca if you're interested in getting some stair nosings, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay. Yep.